This time, let us determine whether each of the following equations is a linear equation in one variable. Write linear if it is, and not linear if it is not. Number 1, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Yes po, Taray, what is your answer? Linear. Bakit, anak?
Kasi ano po, yung exponent naman po ng x, 1 lang po. Tapos yung 2, wala rin po sa radical sign yung variable. Wala rin po sa
Very good. Denominator. So therefore, the answer for number 1 is linear because the variable has exponent 1. Oh, now, if number 1 is linear, let us identify what is A. 2. Very good. What is the value of B?
3.
And the value of C is 7. Okay, next, number 2. 4x squared minus 3 is equal to 9. Yes? Sir Ricardo? Why, anak?
Kasi po yung 2 po yung exponent.
Okay, because the exponent is greater than 1. Therefore, this is not a linear equation. Okay, how about for number 3? 5 over x is equal to 10. Yes, Miss Maya? Why, anak? May fraction, bukod sa may fraction, yung variable ay nasaan, anak? Okay, very good. Kasi po yung variable ay nasa denominator. Kaya not linear pa rin yan. Okay, take note, anak, ha? Okay lang magkaroon ng fraction, basta titignan mo, anak, yung variable. Kapag yung variable nasa denominator, not linear po siya. Next, number 4. 7x minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, yes, Kanisa? Linear. Why, anak? Okay, very good. Kasi po, 1 lang yung exponent ng variable. Okay, so since this is a linear, let us identify the value of A, B, and C. What is A? 7. What is B?
2.
What is the sign of B? 2. Okay, again, what is A?
7.
What is B? Negative 2. And what is C? Okay, 12. Next, number 5. 6x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 16. Anyone? Yes, anak? Okay, sabi niya not linear kasi dalawa yung variable. But the question is, ano ba yung letters ng variable? Parehas letter x. Kung i-combine natin siya, magiging as 1 pa rin yan. O, tingnan natin yung tatlong rule, ha? First rule, ano yung exponent, anak, ng variable? 1, pasok siya, tama? Second rule, yung variable ba nasa denominator? Wala, pasok pa rin. Third rule, yung variable ba nasa radical sign? Ibig sabihin, linear pa rin siya. Okay, anong gagawin natin? I-combine natin yan. Later, i-combine natin yan. Pag i-combine natin yan, as 1 pa rin siya. Do you understand? Basta titignan lang natin, anak, yung tatlong rule. Okay, next. Square root of x plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, la? Why?
Kasi nasa radical, nasa loob po yung variable pa nasa radical.
Okay, very good. Not linear because the variable is in the radical sign. Next, number 7. 9 minus 3x is equal to 0. Okay, Buena Flor. Okay, why, anak? Okay, bukod sa hindi 0 si A. Okay, ang exponent ay 1. Wala siya sa at wala rin sa loob ng radical sign. So, meaning, linear pa rin siya, anak. Identify natin what is the value of A. What is the value of A? Ang 9, ang A, anak, katabi ng X. What is the sign of 3? Negative 3 si A. Naano lang siya, nawala lang siya sa pwesto. Basta tatandaan, anak, si letter A lagi katabi ni X, which is negative 3. Ano yung B natin? 9. And then yung C, 0 po. Do you understand? Next, number 8. 5x cubed is equal to 10. Oliver, say, what is your answer, anak? Not linear. Bakit, anak? Ay greater than 1. Therefore, this is not linear. Ano dapat ang exponent? 1 lang po. How about for number 9? 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 6. Linear or not? Linear pa rin po. Kasi ano ba exponent ng x? 1. Nasa denominator? Nasa loob ng radical sign? Therefore, linear pa rin siya. Kasi kung i-distribute natin to, anak, 2 times x. 2x. 2 times 1. 2 is equal to 6. O, linear pa rin po ito. For the last number, 1 half x plus 4 is equal to 0. Linear or not? Linear pa rin po. May fraction tayo, tama? Pero ano yung nasa denominator? 2. Ang pinag-uusapan natin yung variable lang po. So, therefore, linear pa rin siya. So, the answer for number 10 is linear equation. Now, what is the value of A? 1 half. Very good. What is B? 4. And what is C? 0. Okay.